Okay, so we're gonna scan. This is the Avenida de Praia Grande. It's right there, Avenida de Praia Grande, the street of the large beach. And what I'm just gonna do is just start. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So start in this area, and I'm gonna film walking down a path. Maybe the last video you might have saw, I was down in the Portuguese embassy area over there. And what I'm gonna do in a minute is I'm gonna walk through this little space, and I'm gonna show you how to get from here to Lisboa casino. So we're just gonna walk through. So it's pretty sunny today. And I have filmed in this area before, so we're just gonna walk around a little bit. And Subway restaurant is gonna be coming here. Hello. And there's I think I filmed in this space too. This is actually a Iranian tourist place. So it looks kind of interesting. So they got all Iranian things. Probably should go there and talk to him sometime. But Subway restaurant. Yeah, I should go in there and talk to him sometime. I usually some people that I know, especially people that are into languages, they try to talk to almost everybody they meet. And I probably should do that, but a lot of times I'm always thinking about some other thing that I want to do all the time. So if I start talking to everybody I meet, I can't do anything that I want to do. There's this boat up there. This is a well-known Chinese restaurant. Doing some construction. Nice windows. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna cross this street here, and we're gonna follow it down, and you can see this boat right there. So not too long ago we were in this Avenida de Grande Praia, and now we're in this kind of reclaimed land area. So everything is kind of a different feel altogether. And I have this camera on kind of a closer zoom, so we're just gonna walk in some of these little areas here. You can see this interesting looking building. And this is where all the motorcycles get parked in this area. So yeah, I still have it on kind of a, I have it on a zoom, like I'm putting everything up closer than it usually is when I film, which is kind of interesting to me because usually I can capture everything with it, with a viewpoint, with a view on, but now it's like a little bit tighter, but it's still interesting, I think. This is a military club is right there, and Lisboa is right there. So I think I'm gonna just go around this block. I filmed in this area before. This is kind of a central spot, so it's easy to film in this area because you end up in this space quite easily. And let me see if I can get back far enough. There's this particular building as well. So this one, if I wasn't on the zoom camera, I could have a better picture to it. Right there is the Lisboa. So, yep. The other side of Macau. So it actually looks pretty cool. If it was zoomed out a little bit, and I can't do it without turning it off, which I don't want to do. And here's the unusual Lisboa. This is actually called Grand Lisboa. My apologies. And Lisboa, they connect to each other through this skyway. This has cannons, so if you saw my other video that I put up there maybe mid-November, it says the cannons are out. I put it up there like November 17 or 18, so I filmed in this space. And up here you can walk up this place, and some pretty cool stuff around there as well. So, okay. So maybe you have another view of Macau from a couple different angles.
minha, bichinha. Toma cuidado da bovidinha.